Hey guys, this is William.
Hi, it's Andy.
Today we're going to talk about completing a square.
Okay, so completing a square is a technique used to solve quadratic equation.
This technique can be used when factoring or foiling quadratic equations does not work, or to find irrational and complex roots.
Okay, so here's the first example. 2x squared minus 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so first of all, we need to move the loose number over to the other side. In this equation, the loose number is negative 10. So we have 2x squared minus 4x is equal to 10. And secondly, we have to divide the whole equation so that the square term is on its own. So in this case, we divide both sides by 2. We have x squared minus 2x is equal to 5. Okay, then we have to take half of the coefficient of the x term, then use it to convert to the left side into the square term. So in this equation, we put negative 2x divided by 2 is negative 1. So we have x minus 1 squared is equal to 5 plus or minus a number. So we know x minus 1 squared is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. So in order to make the equation balanced, we have to add 1 onto the right side. So we have 5 minus 1, which is 6. So the equation becomes x minus 1 squared is equal to 6. Okay, now we have to square root both sides. So it gave us x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 6. And we add 1 on both sides. So it gave us x is equal to 1 plus root 6 or 1 minus root 6. So it gave us the number. So we have two answers.
Okay, so for the second example, we got negative 8x plus 16x squared plus 16x plus 24 equals to 0. So first of all, you want to move the loose number over to the other side, which gives us negative 8x squared plus 16x equals to negative 24. Next, you want to divide the entire equation by whatever that's multiplied onto the square term, in this case, which is negative 8. That gives us x squared minus 2x equals to 3. Next, you want to take half of the coefficient of the x term, then use it to convert the left side into squared form. So the x coefficient right now is a negative 2. We want to divide this by 2, which gives us negative 1. You want to put that into a square with x like so. And then for the right side, you want to take the same term here and square it. So that will give us 1. So 3 plus 1, that's 4. Next, you want to square root both sides. That'll give us x minus 1 equals to 2. Don't forget the plus or minus. This is very important. So last step is to move the negative 1 over to the other side. So that will give us x equals to 1 plus or minus 2. So our two answers will be x equals to 1 plus 2. So that's x equals to 3 or negative 1.